Hello everyone, so today in this video I am going to share how to use new storage management tool on WhatsApp. So firstly open your WhatsApp. Now tap on the three dots which is on the top right. Now tap on the settings. Now tap on the storage and data. Now tap on manage storage, which is management tool of storage. Okay, so now here you can see the chats. So just click on one chat to use new tools. Here you can see a search option also. You can search. Now click on the pictures to delete or favorite, add to favorite. Now I want to delete these pictures, so just delete option. Now delete. Okay, now tap on delete. So here you can see I deleted the pictures. Okay, so this is how you can use new storage management tool on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video.